is multiplying 3 or more. And this also goes back to what we talked about, I don't know, it was last week, I'm sure. Okay, it is imperative that you understand the concept of cross-canceling. You will just save yourself hours and hours of work if you cross-cancel. Here is our for example. If you are multiplying these fractions together, 2 1/2 times 1 1/10 times 4. Remember that you can't just multiply 2 times 1 1/2 times 10. That's not what we do. If they're mixed numbers before we multiply, we must, Riley Harrington.
Make them proper.
Yeah, you gotta make these improper. So 2 1/2 turns to 5 halves. 1 1/10 would become 1 times 10 plus 1, 11 tenths. And 4 is 4/1. Okay, and rather than multiplying 5 times 11 times 4 and getting a ginormous number here, and 2 times 10 and get 20 on the bottom, you really want to cross-cancel, reduce before you multiply. It's just going to make your life that much easier. What do you see that will cross-cancel? Well, Keith, there is a
2 and a 4.
okay, 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into this 4 twice. What else, Luke?
5 and a 10.
5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 10 twice. And then, Joe?
11 goes into, or 1 goes into 11.
Yeah, but you're not, it's gonna be 11 and a 1. Ones don't do you any good when you cross cancel, because it won't change anything. Yeah? Right, this 2 and this 2. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 2 once. You're left with nothing but 1s in that 11. 1 times 11 times 1 gives you an 11 on top over 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1 on the bottom. So your answer there is 11. Okay, it's just much, much easier rather than getting 220 over 20 and then having to do that division there. 1 mas. Uno mas. We say uno mas. How about this one? 2/3 times 1 3/5 times 3/4. Okay, the first thing you have to do is make this one improper. So it's going to be 2/3 times 8/5 times 3/4. And what do we see there that's going to cross cancel? Isabel?
4 and 8.
Yep. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 8 twice. Remember, you can't cross cancel 2 top ones. It has to be a top with a bottom. Brianna?
3.
3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 3 once. Do we have anything else left? Negative, so then you multiply 1 times 2 times 2, which gives you a 4 on top, and 5 times 1 times 1 is 5 on the bottom. If you cross-cancel everything you can, you will not need to be reduced when you get to the end. You might have to change them from improper to mixed, but you won't have to reduce. Anybody have any arguments about that? Questions, concerns? Nobody? Perfect. Let us then, ladies and gentlemen,